Three-dimensional printers create objects by moving a print head in a very precise way. The print head extrudes plastic which builds up layer by layer. This process is called additive manufacturing. Kinematics is the study of motion, and in 3D printing, it refers to how the print head moves. Different types of 3D printers use different kinematics. Cartesian kinematics is the most common type. It is simple and easy to understand. The print head moves in three axes, X, Y, and Z. The X-axis is left and right, the Y-axis is forward and backward, the Z-axis is up and down. Cartesian printers are usually very accurate, but they can be slow on the Y and Z axes. Bed-slinger kinematics is a variation of Cartesian kinematics. The print head moves only in the X and Z axes while the print bed moves in the Y axis. This allows for faster printing speeds. Bed slingers are good for printing large, flat objects. However, they can be less accurate than Cartesian printers. H-bot kinematics uses two motors to move the print head in the X-axis. The motors are connected by a belt that forms an H shape. This design allows for faster printing speeds than Cartesian kinematics. H-bot printers can be very precise and are often used for printing objects with fine details. Core XY kinematics is similar to H-bot but uses a different belt configuration. The belt forms a rectangle around the print area. This design allows for even faster printing speeds. Core XY printers are also known for their accuracy. Delta kinematics is different from the other types. It uses three arms to move the print head. The arms are connected to a platform above the print area. This design allows for very fast printing speeds. Delta printers excel at printing tall, narrow objects. However, they can be less accurate than other types of printers. Understanding the different types of 3D printer kinematics is important. It helps you choose the right printer for your needs. Each type has advantages and disadvantages.